Hello to everybody and welcome to this ZKTeco Global Seminary. My name is Fernando and I'm very happy to stay with all of you and share with you some information about the ZKTeco and what will be the future related to the partners. So as all of you know, over almost the past 2 years, we have suffered a pandemic that neither of us had never ever imagined. It has brought many chances in our lives in all the aspects, possible aspects, personal aspects, business aspects, social aspects, economic aspects. So based on it, on behalf of ZKTeco Global, I want to thank you, all of you, to stay there with us, even sometimes suffering, making a lot of different contributions based on your knowledge, based on your experience, as well as all the passion, all dedication showed during this difficult period that with all of us suffering. If we talk about the change that COVID brings us, I would like to offer some lights about that. It's clear that everything moved to the digital. Everybody is using communication tools in computers, like webinars, like some video conference, social network apps. So all moved to digital. It's also true that after this period, there are more internal and external controls in the world. Even inside the countries, you have a lot of controls, and of course, moving from one country to another country now is like it's a little difficult. So it's clear that this will stay with us in the next months or probably years, and this is another change after these 2 years. It's clear that seems that will be good improvements in the ecological quality, the environment. More people are focusing the environment, in the quality of the air in the closed space. All things related to ecology will be more important from now. In fact, one of the things will be more interconnection in order to keep the society in not so many different levels. So more interconnection between the social, between the economic, and between the ecologic, and to keep balance about this kind of things. I'm sure this bring us a lot of different business chances. By the other hand, and it's normal that a new relation between employees and companies. Many companies now, the employees are working at home, and working at home means some change in the relation between company and employees. So it's clear that this new period, a new way to the society is moving to work, bring us some chances in terms of cloud solutions, as we will see later. So all of these bring us challenge and chances, but it's clear that for me one of the most important challenges in the human will be that staying at home, working at home, has broken, probably another reasons too, but has broken all the relationship between the people and companies in personal, in business, in social, in different areas. So as human, thinking in the personal, but thinking also in the business, we should recover this relationship as soon as possible, and this is critical for society and business. In terms of all of you that you have relations as distributors or system integrators, you have relations with different installers, different suppliers, different partners, different end user. But it's critical that without that, the business is quite complicated. And as soon we recover this normal situation, first will be very healthy for psychology of the people, but also the business will return better and better. So this is one of the most important challenges. And let's go to talk about what is the future, what is the ZKTeco in the future, and what is the partners to show some picture what will be happening in the near future. I want to share with all of you, 3 or 4 points that is like related ZKTeco in terms of the future business. The first one, I think that considering before that we produce normally in China, in the new worldwide situation we are having, ZKTeco wants to have different production centers around the world and focus in new solutions and new products, that these products or these solutions can be from local to global. So it's clear that there are some areas that are expert in some areas, and this is one of the points that we need to consider in ZKTeco. Having different worldwide centers of production. When I say production, it's not only hardware. We should consider production like cloud solutions, platforms, and everything. So this is one of the things that ZKTeco is doing and will be bigger and bigger in the next years. Another thing is that based in the current situation and COVID, the only that bring us COVID is do the things faster, is that step by step all the solutions, all the platforms are moving to the cloud. From the PC to the cloud, this is one of the most important challenges of ZKTeco, and we are doing now. It doesn't matter if it's a CCTV cloud solutions for recording or it's access control, it's a platform to third-party develop something, but at the end it's clear that step by step, and probably during this seminar all of you will have opportunity to discover some of them, that all the solutions are moving to the cloud, and ZKTeco should be and will be in top one to move into these solutions in the market. Another key point that ZKTeco will move is set up more and more third-party integrations with or bridges with the top players in different security or business areas. Let's say that we should make integrations with the biggest or the best ERP systems, with the biggest or the best security companies. It doesn't matter if it's related to intercom or is related to home automation or office automation, but it's clear that because ZKTeco cannot develop everything directly, so the bridges with these players will be critical to offer to the partners more, more range of solutions they can put to the end user or to the installers. Another point that is critical, and after COVID, is that really we need to be closer. We need to close relationships with the partners. Partners should be closer to the system integrator and installers. In order, this close relation is based also to communication, right? So at the end, the most important is ensuring the professional and profitable business in all of the chain that we are having now, from the manufacturer to the end user. And the last point, probably, it's like we need to consider, because the product line and the solutions we are having is bigger and bigger and bigger and more extended, and some of them are linkaged with another solutions. It's clear that we need better understanding and knowledge about all the platforms we have. We need to explain very clear and better all the platforms we have, all the solutions we have. We need to know and understand the services, the products, the solutions, in order to improve the sale and the quality service we are offering to end user. So I hope during this seminar you learn a lot, and we can open your eyes in terms of new solutions you can apply to the market. One thing is clear, is like, when we are moving, as I mentioned before, we are moving to the cloud, from the PC or to the new solutions to the cloud, it's clear that the business mode changed. Before, a lot of products you can sell and that's all, but now everything that is in SaaS, everything is related in cloud is pay as service. So the mentality to sell is different, the way to pay is different. You need to offer better service because you are charging money for service. So keep this in your mind, because this is something that is changed very fast in the world, not only in ZKTeco, but also in all security, all technology companies, even financial companies are trying to do this, right? So nothing else. I only want to have last message to all of you is like the future of ZKTeco really is very exciting in this new worldwide reality. Of course, with all new platforms and solutions, as well the new business modes, as I mentioned before, based in cloud, based in integrations, and based in services. So we all, ZKTeco and the partners, we all need to be ready regarding the social, regarding technology, and in commercial point of view for this new era. So I invite all of you to enjoy and share with us during this new period with all the possible maximum encourage, the possible maximum passion, dedication, and success. So let's go to renew ZKTeco family together and grow together. At my best wishes for this seminary. Thanks a lot to all of you and keep safe. Bye.